for courses, all the courses. Recently at the faculty meeting, I think the team shared this data with us. It's very informative. We know where the weaknesses are and how we can improve and that kind of. And also from management point of view, they want to know which courses has the smallest number of enrollment over the years. If that's the case, we can cut it, we can drop it. Or some courses were listed in the schedule, but no one take it, or only very small, or the small number enrollment, so we have to cancel them. So that kind of data are also showing in the data analysis result. And I think at the university level, they also have adopted, because our school is pushing for this data analysis, for operational data analysis, and the university level are also doing data analysis for the enrollment and the admits and the applicants, and by program, by school, and many of these they are doing. Yeah. Okay. But why don't you come? Because they won't be able to hear it translated. No, go ahead. Sorry. It's. I think I can. Go ahead.
It's just a curiosity, because last night you presented the database and data management for support for libraries and research. So in each specific way, database can be applied in museology or museums. Oh, no problem. It's because last night you presented database and data management as support for libraries and research. So I want to know in which specific way database can be applied in museology or museums.
Okay, I'll try. Okay. I'll try to answer this question. So because I have a very good friend, actually my metadata co-author, metadata book co-author is Masha Zen. She's specialized in museum cultural object metadata field. So from her, I learned a lot. So the metadata, well, in museum right now, it's not just using metadata to describe, catalog museum objects, right? And that's just one. And a lot of museums in the United States now have been trying to digitize, provide the digital image and digital gallery and timeline. Timeline is very popular, a kind of data products used by museums, because for example, you want to study, like say some historical event, and then you can have have the timeline from starting point to an ending point, and then you can have different time points in the middle, and you incorporate the documentation, the description, and the image of the object, and history background and map, and all these incorporate into one place. But all these are backed up by database. And also semantic web and controlled vocabulary, and these are very important to museum objects, especially in metadata description. And so all those are, if you think about data science, think about data science, there's a very strong emphasis on organization, management of the digital assets, digital data, and developing data products that can be interacted, can be interactive with the users, the general public, for research and learning purposes. So those are the kind of, within the big data, and especially digital humanities these days is a very, very popular, increasingly popular subject. Digital humanities, a project developed at Stanford Digital Humanities Center. They incorporate the inventory, the old, those on the, I think in the Roman Empire time, and the transportation and those inventory records, and digitize them and painstakingly make them into structured data, and so they can create the map. So say, okay, in that time, if you want to travel from Rome to, say, to London, which route you can take, and you can calculate the costs for those. So this is new to, and all these have a lot to do with data. You have to make the data analyzable, and you have to feed the data into the software and structure them in certain way, so you can, display them and overlay them with the map, and the old map, ancient type map, not just these days map. So it's very interesting field. Museum has a lot to do in this new development field. Any other questions? Okay.
Do you have a
I think we have another, another time. Everything should go through 3 times.
no, this is the easy question. Do you have a picture of your book to show people? Your book with Marcia. Do you have a picture in the computer?
Show what?
Your book?
My book?
Yes. Do you have?
I can go to the website. This is our book website. There are 2 versions. One is for European countries. That the blue greenish cover. That's the edition was published in Europe, and the red one is published in the U.S. So these are and we have this is, if you go to the textbook website, we have all the resources we used in the book, like readings, quiz, and exercises, and also bibliography, and also like metadata schemas, tools, controlled vocabularies. All these are available from the book website. It's open, free for everyone to access. Yeah. What? You mean? Yeah, sure. The next topic is about data-driven research, exploring new territory in information science. It's about research, so if you are interested, you are welcome to stay. But if you are not interested, feel free to leave. Yeah. I break it.